So the goal of this lesson is that you will be saving time by automating repetitive tasks. What do I also mean? It can actually, you can upload. Let me show you something quickly, and we're gonna go through it again and again later on. So with ChatGPT here, you can actually, you know, add photos, and it can analyze the photo. It can tell you what there is in this photo. Uh, if it's a spider, it can tell you which spider is it. If you have Excel files, a lot of tables, and you want to get info about this, you can add it, upload your Excel file, and it will give you exactly the stats that you want. Now, it will ask you questions and then everything, but then it will give you the right results. And also, again, with the chat, with the GPTs, this is a really good module, where even you can get your own psychologist, because many people have, they use it for this reason. So if you go put psychologist, child psychologist, or, relationship psychologist, you can get this. You click it here, go start chart, and you've got this, which is a prompt, a GPT basically, that is focused to become a psychology professor, not psychologist or therapist. It's it's quite useful, and to use GPTs. So you click it, and you make sure here is the GPT that you are using. About, you can get more info, and use it like that. So now you already know how to use. If you're a beginner, as I said, you know how to use it from the beginning, which is great start. If you already use ChatGPT and all these tools, now you know which tools you need to use and how you can create even better content, right? As I showed you with the blog, with the images, with the captions, with everything. You know this. You got this skill. Now you can also improve the productivity and organize everything.